Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 snow bike. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Product number 3, Ecarpat 26-inch Snow Mountain Bikes. Specifications. Brand name, Ecarpat. Foldable, no. Fork suspension, yes. Gears, 21 speed. Frame type, hard frame, non-rear damper. Braking system, double disc brake. Wheel size, 26x 4.0 inch wheel. Front fork type, spring fork, low gear non-damping. Applicable people, unisex. Fork material, steel. Frame material, steel. Type, mountain bike. Rim material, aluminum. Product number 2, soft tail mountain bike. Specifications. Bike suspension types, sturdy. Foldable, no. Fork suspension, yes. Pedal type, bead pedal. Frame type, soft tail frame. Braking system, double disc brake. Wheel size, 26 inch. Front fork type, spring fork, low gear non-damping. Stature, 145 to 193 centimeters. Applicable people, unisex. Fork material, steel. Frame material, steel. Type, mountain bike. Rim material, steel. Gears, 7 speed, 21 speed, 24 speed, 27 speed, 30 speed. Wheel size, 24 inches, 26 inches. Product number 1, Volvo B1. Specifications. Brand name, Zeekr. Model number, B1. Rated passenger capacity, 1 seat. Style, standard type. Max speed, 50 km per hour. Range per power, 31 to 60 km. Wattage, 500 watts. Power supply, lithium battery. Voltage, 48 volts. Folded, no. Motor, brushless. Wheel size, 26 inch. Frame material, aluminum alloy.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.